Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to hide Cash App balance. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log in. On the home screen you will see your available balance at the top. Right now Cash App doesn't offer a built-in feature to hide your balance completely, but there are a few simple workarounds. If you don't want others to see your balance while you're navigating the app, one option is to record and share from different tabs like the activity tab or the banking section where the balance isn't immediately visible. Another option is to use app screen fillers and privacy screen apps that blur sensitive parts of your display. Some Android phones have tools allowed to this, especially when screen recording. You can also use screen recording software that lets you crop and mask parts of the screen so your balance isn't shown during demos or tutorials. And lastly, for those who want extra privacy, logging out of your account after every session ensures that no one picks up your phone can see your info, including your balance. And that's it. While there is no toggle to hide your balance natively, this tricks can help you maintain your privacy. Well, that was it for today's video. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and ring the bell to get more notifications about our upcoming videos. So till then, thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.